Going on to the next question, that is with reference to Emals defense technology, consider the following statements. 1. It is developed as an aircraft launching system for aircraft carriers. Is this correct? This is correct. That is, it is actually a technology that is developed or that has been developed in order to enable more heavier aircraft to be launched from aircraft carriers. So this is correct. Now the second one, it is developed by Israel. This has not been developed by Israel. On the other hand, it has been developed by US. This is in current affairs right now. Why? Because US has decided to share Emals technology, which is actually a US IPR, and actually it has been developed by General Atomics. US will be sharing it with only with its closest allies, and India has qualified for that, in fact. So we can say that this is very important. So the answer should be A1 only. Now, electromagnetic aircraft launch system Emals has been developed by USA. So earlier what happens is that earlier it was using steam assisted catapult, in fact, in order to launch these aircraft. So what happens is that steam assisted means it's having much reduced launching capacity. As a result, many a times the aircraft had to compromise on its carrying capacity as well as the payloads, in the sense that payloads means the amount of bombs or other ammunitions which it can carry. It has to reduce it, and also those aircraft could only be launched which are having lesser weight. So that actually reduced the intensity or the power of aircraft carriers. But here, using Emals, what happens is that using electromagnetic power, it will be launching these type of aircraft without reducing its carrying capacity, etc. Which means that heavier capacity with heavier bombs, etc. Fighter jets can be launched. So due to its flexible architecture, Emals can launch a wide variety of aircraft weights and can be used for a variety of platforms with differing catapult configuration. And more than that, what happens is that Emals technology reduces the wear and tear which is being applied on the aircraft while it is being launched. So which means that aircraft will be able to reduce its maintenance cost. But at the same time, there is a disadvantage for Emals technology, which means the biggest disadvantage is that it consumes huge amount of power. So which means that the amount of power it requires makes it possible only in nuclear propelled aircraft carriers. So we have our first indigenous aircraft carrier that has been developed in Kochi shipyard, and that is Vikrant, and it is actually conventionally powered. That is, it is not nuclear powered. Second, it is 40,000, and second one IAC, that is indigenous aircraft carrier 2, which is going to be developed by India. In fact, there have been reports coming out saying that it would be a nuclear powered one. And in fact, only nuclear powered or in such higher, that is, it requires higher amount of power, which makes it difficult for ordinary conventional aircraft carriers to use it. Now here, in fact, US has decided to release the crucial electromagnetic or aircraft launch system for Indian Navy's future aircraft carrier, and that's the reason why it is in news. You may get a question in UPSC Prelims regarding this technology.